Today I'm gonna take you to a different event which happened in Wellington a couple of months back. This is a project from Moment Factory called Light Cycles. They transformed Wellington Botanical Garden into a light show, all about laser lights and smoke. Now, I've done something different in this video. The background music that you hear in this video are the actual music that was played during the light show. Oh, here's another tip. If you're watching this video, make sure you're watching the dark to get a better view and a feeling. I have no words to say how they have transformed Wellington Botanical Garden into this. At one point, I felt like I'm in this avatar world. What you call it? Pandora? Yeah. It was that cool. I had no words. So, in here I realized that I can't capture what I see in my naked eye on the camera. What you see here in this camera is not the exact view which I saw in my naked eye. So I managed to capture some pictures which are much more accurate than what you can see in the video. So these are actual images and this is actually how you see it in your naked eye, not just for the pictures. How cool is that? It was crazy.
Next. Oh, okay.
it was pretty expensive according to me. I think I paid somewhere around $35 to $40. But the way they have transferred Wellington Botanical Garden into this was crazy. So, this is the end of the show, and as well as my vlog. It was just a mini vlog to let you know what happened a couple of months back in Wellington Botanical Garden. So, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, make sure you do. Until next time, peace out.